Today I'll be showing you how to field calibrate your Axicon 15,000 series barcode verifier. This should be done every couple of weeks depending how dirty your environment is, and we also strongly recommend an annual factory calibration, which you cannot complete remotely at your facility. To complete the field calibration, you will need three things. The first is your verifier, the second is an Axicon calibration card, and the third is the software downloaded to a PC. So first step is make sure your connection is secured from the verifier to your PC, and then we will look over at the software. On the software, navigate to the gear icon to get into settings. Then select the calibration tab. Match the reflectance minimum and maximum values to what is shown on your Axicon calibration card. If your card is expired, please contact us for a factory calibration and to receive a replacement calibration card. You can also select a day range to have regularly scheduled reminders to your users to perform the field calibration. As I mentioned before, we suggest every 2 to 3 weeks depending on how dirty your environment is or how often you use the verifier. Uncheck this box if you don't want your users verifying codes with a non-field calibrated unit. Press OK when done, and then select the target icon to enter the calibration window. Here you can again change the reflectance values if needed, and you can see the date the unit was manufactured and the date of last field calibration. Put the verifier on top of the calibration card and ensure at least one of the 3 codes is within the field of view. All of the codes do not need to be within the field of view to complete the field calibration. Press Start when you have one of the codes centered to begin the calibration process. After several seconds, you will receive a pop-up saying calibration was successful. If the calibration was not successful, repeat the previous steps and make sure the verifier has not moved during the calibration process. If you are still unsuccessful, give us a call and we can assist. Now that you have completed the field calibration, your verifier is ready to grade codes accurately. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for all of your verification or barcode related needs.